Hi, we're the Stoudenmeyers. I'm Sadie.
Otto!
Hannah!
Eric!
We love Chick-Fil-A's chicken nuggets. What we don't love is Chick-Fil-A's politics. So we found a copycat recipe for Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. And here it is. We're a family of 4, so we're gonna make a double batch of nuggets. You're gonna use 2 pounds of chicken, 2 cups of milk, and 4 eggs. For our breading, we've got panko breadcrumbs, powdered sugar, kosher salt, pepper, and chili powder.
We're going to start by combining the eggs and the milk in a bowl. And then we're going to combine them with the whisk. Now we're going to cut the chicken into bite-sized 1-inch cubes. Cut this like so. They don't all have to be exactly the same size. We're going to take these and put them in the milk and eggs so that they soak. Now this goes in the fridge for 15 minutes.
While your chicken is resting in the fridge, you want to put together your breadcrumb coating. The recipe says to put breadcrumbs in the food processor and make really fine breadcrumbs. We like our breadcrumbs to be a little crunchier and bigger pieces, so that's going to be up to you. So we're going to add some spices to our breadcrumbs. Since we're making a double recipe of breadcrumbs, we're going to add to 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs, 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 4 teaspoons of kosher salt, a teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Using a fork, mix your spices into your breadcrumbs. You know, the recipe doesn't call for wine, but why would I let that stop me? It's quarantine. And white goes with chicken. Now that the chicken has had a chance to sit in the milk and egg mixture, we're gonna bread it before we fry it. It's really important to have a wet hand and a dry hand, and I'll show you why.
We're going to fill a pot 2 inches deep with vegetable oil and bring it up to 360 degrees. Ooh, it's a little too hot.
We're going to use this basket to put the chicken in the oil so that it doesn't splash. Here's batch number 2. Note to self: if the temperature is too hot, the chicken will brown really quickly but become raw on the inside.
Our family likes to have garlic aioli with our chicken nuggets. Garlic aioli is quite simple. All it is mayonnaise, lemon juice, and garlic. And here's how to make it. First, you start with the mayonnaise. Then you squeeze your lemons. After, squeeze your garlic right into the bowl. Then pour your lemon juice. After, pour a little bit more mayonnaise. Now, stir it. And that is how you make garlic aioli.
And here's the finished product, our Copycat Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. We like to serve it with our garlic aioli and maybe some barbecue sauce. Don't mess it up this time.
We're the Stoudenmeyers. I'm Sadie.
I'm Otto.
I'm Hannah.
And I'm Eric, and we're
Cooking under quarantine.